अगर आपने हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो आपको यहाँ सब्सक्राइब बटन दिख रहा है, इस पर आप क्लिक कीजिए और हमें सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। और साथ ही साथ इसके सामने एक नोटिफिकेशन बेल आ रहा है, इसे भी आप इनेबल कर दीजिए ताकि आपको तुरंत नोटिफिकेशन मिले जब भी हम कोई नई वीडियो अपलोड करें।
Hello everyone, welcome to a new solution video of quick answers. The joy of computing using Python, week 3, assignment 3. Last date is 25 August. Let's start. Joy of computing using Python. Question number 1. Let's zoom first. And question number 1 answer is false. Question number 1 answer is false. This is quick solutions and I have done my programming solutions and I will upload that solutions in my Telegram channel. Please join my Telegram channel. You will get that solution there and you can copy paste that solutions. Question number 1 is false. Do it fastly. Next, question number 2. This is question number 2. This is code print AI. Question number 2 answer is option number C. Question number 2 answer is option number C. Please do it fast. Note down it. Question number 1 false and question number 2 is the option number C, third one. Next, question number 3. What will the output of the following program be? This is value A. Insert this printed. So this solution is option number C. Option number B. Do it fast. Question number 3. Option number B. Note it fast. Next, question number 4. I have uploaded problem solving through programming in C solutions also. Coding solutions also uploaded in my Telegram channel. Please join there and you will get that code. Just copy paste from there. Don't need to write down. You can copy paste from there, from my Telegram channel. Just you have to find that link in my Telegram channel. Just search by this course name in my Telegram channel and then you will find week 3 programming solutions and you just copy there and you need to just copy that code only because I have uploaded 4 question solutions there. So jointly I uploaded solutions in jointly, so you have to copy the code only, code solution only. So copy and paste in your next. Question number 4. Question number 4 answer is option number C, both A and B. Question number 4 is option number C. Next, question number 5. Question number 5. fastly note down. Next, question number 5. Question number 5 answer is I have done programming solutions also. So please join my Telegram channel, and you will get that their codes and copy paste that code in programming also, and you will pass that test programs. You can see here. I have done already, and I will paste that codes in my Telegram channel. Please join my Telegram channel.